Bluey darted across the living room. The lights flickered wild. Bingo shouted, "Bluey, wait up! Could something strange be inside the house?" Bandit held out his paw. He whispered, "Listen." A humming sound grew louder. Could it be coming from the attic? Everyone climbed the stairs quick. The door creaked open. Chilli gasped loud. Could that glow be magic? Inside the attic floated a spinning box. Rusty whispered, "Don't touch it." Muffin squealed, "But it looks amazing." Could this be a gift or a trap? The box burst open bright. Rainbow sparks shot everywhere. Indy covered his eyes. Bluey laughed excited. Could this be the start of an adventure? A swirling tunnel pulled them inside. They tumbled and rolled. Bingo shouted, "Hold on!" Could they even get back home? They landed on glowing grass. Giant mushrooms towered over them. Bandit looked around stunned. Could they be in a secret forest? A river of gold flowed nearby. Chilli pointed fast. She said, "Look at the bridge." Could someone be waiting? From the mist walked a tall fox in armor. He bowed deeply. He said, "I have been waiting." Could he be a guardian? Bluey asked, "Where are we?" The fox smiled strange. He said, "This is the forest of echoes." Could their voices change the future? Suddenly the ground shook hard. The river split open. A massive serpent rose high. Bingo screamed in fear. Could this be their final test? Bandit stepped forward strong. He shouted, "Leave us alone." The serpent hissed loud. Could it understand courage? The fox raised his sword bright. He joined Bandit's side. The serpent stared long, then slowly sank away. Could bravery really win the fight? The fox handed Bluey a shining gem. He said, "This will guide you back home." Everyone gasped. Could this be their ticket out? The gem glowed hot. A portal opened wide. The family jumped through together. Could this be goodbye to the forest? Back in their house, the lights were calm again. Bluey clutched the gem tight. She whispered, "I'll never forget this." And hey, if you want the next portal to open, hit subscribe, drop a like. That's the spark that unlocks every new adventure we share together.